In 2025, understanding market trends is crucial for successful crypto trading. Start by analyzing both current and projected trends in the market. Next, choosing the right exchanges can make a significant difference. Look for those that are reputable, offering the best trading features with low fees. Diversifying your portfolio is key to minimizing risk while maximizing potential gains. Let's discuss some effective strategies. Utilizing advanced trading tools can greatly enhance your efficiency and decision-making processes. Discover the software that's worth your time. Staying informed about news and updates in the crypto space is crucial in making informed decisions while trading. Implementing effective risk management strategies, like setting stop-loss orders, can protect your investments. Let's delve into some techniques. Engaging with crypto communities and forums can offer invaluable insights and support. Join discussions that help elevate your trading game. Lastly, keeping up with regulatory changes is vital. Understanding how these may impact your trading in 2025 can safeguard your investments. Learning to leverage technical analysis is crucial. Use these charts and indicators to identify optimal entry and exit points. Finally, remember that continuous education keeps you abreast of the evolving crypto landscape. Commit to ongoing learning for success.